Welcome to the in front of me HUAWEI MatePad Pro, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then tap here to sound and vibration. We can switch here the sound mode to vibration or to silent one. When the silent mode is activated, we can see that notifications, they are muted. So here, if you wanna set the don't disturb mode, we can make it by this way. Just you should click on the switcher. To turn it off, you should use the switcher also. We can set here the schedule, the start and the end time, all the don't disturb mode. Just let's open here the full volume panel here, so we can change the notifications, alarms, music, video and games volumes just by hold and swipe to the left or to the right side with our finger. We can also move them just by slide them to the left side. If you wanna switch default volume button control, you should click here, and after that you can switch media to ringtone. And now by press to the up or down volume button, we can change ringtone, volumes or notifications. Now we can switch the medias. We can change also here notifications, sound, and in other settings we can turn on or turn off the startup sound, screen lock and lock sound, screenshot, screen touch sounds, and in vibration settings, we can also use vibration in ring mode, and we can also use the system haptics here. So that's it. That's all of the sound settings on our HUAWEI MatePad Pro. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.